business. Okay, let's just use this one for this example here. Okay, and now what you want to do is use the free tool, and that free tool is canva.com, and you could get a free account or a paid account with them. And I currently have a free account. I don't use their paid account, so I'm going to go ahead and create an ad here. And I'm just going to upload the image that I just downloaded. Okay, and make sure that it covers the entire white canvas here. So let's go ahead and okay, and when you're done, you just go to download, image for web, and there you go. When you click on create ad, this is the page that you were brought to, and you have a few options here to choose from. Now what I recommend you do is to choose this one right here, increase conversions on your website, because Facebook will use their million or billion dollar technology and try their best to increase the conversions on your website. So what I recommend is you do this one right here, and then you would just choose a URL to promote. And for here you could choose a conversion pixel. It's very easy to create, but for this one, let's just go ahead and do this just for this example. Okay, so this is an example, so it's not going to be perfect. I'm just going to quickly go through it so you can see how easy it is to set up an ad here on Facebook. Okay, so who do you want your ads to reach? Age. So if you remember from the audience insights, the age range of the group was between 25, I believe, and 54. Okay, so that's why looking at that data is helpful. You know a little bit more about your audience here, and it's going to be both men and women, because if you remember, it was 50% men and 50% women that were interested in starting a business online. Okay, a language, I'm just going to choose English. this example, I'm just going to choose entrepreneurship, interests. Okay, and for the budget, you can start for as low as $5 per day. Let's just do that. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and upload the banner ad that we created. Okay, so what we have here, we have two images. The first one that I uploaded was actually by error, so this is the right one right here. And so let's go down. This is what it would look like. This is what the first image is, but for this example, let's just use this one right here. And another thing you'd want to do is you want to remove this one right here, mobile and newsfeed. When you're starting out, you don't want to use that, and same with the desktop right column. Okay. Maybe later on, when you get more experience or you want to scale, you may want to use those, but for now, I recommend that you do not use those. Okay. Now next, let's add in the text around the ad here. Headline, start business, call to action button, it could just be download. Okay. So as you can see, the text that I put in here comes right before the ad, and right here, start a business. That is the headline. Okay, and once you're done, you just click here, place order.